Hello guys and welcome back to Minahil Haya Luxury Collection. What we have here is the third SKU, third product, third new design that we have here from Minahil Haya Luxury Collection. This one is again from volume 2 and the code for the specific product is M201. This is again a three-piece suit with front, back, sleeves, dupatta and a trouser. Let's do the unboxing and see what we've got here. So firstly, what we have here is the front of the shirt. Let's open it and see the product quality. You see the embellishment work is extremely amazingly done here. This is what we call is panni work, been neatly done here. Let's open it quickly to have another proper view. So yeah, this beautiful combination of light pastel colors, pink, and again we're going with light green, and these embroidering tassels is giving a very nice look to overall pattern. This is the front of the shirt. Moving forward, what we have here is the front back panel for shirts. This is the front side. This is the front border. Also what we have here is beautiful tassels. These diamond tassels would give your suit a very luxurious and a very nice look. Front back both. Then what we have here is back side of our shirt. You see this is the border as shown in the images, exactly like the way it is. These beautifully done, neatly cut it, no edges, no nothing, very fine quality of organza, pure organza. You see the motifs, the quality is really nice, beautifully done. Moving forward, what we have here is these are the arms. You see, again the panni work is there, beautifully made, very nice. And these are the edges of your arms. You see, nice color combinations been made here just to make your whole suit glow out with the silver pastels. Next that we have is, again, this could be used as a shawl and a dupatta. The best feature about this is pure barize fabric, and this is ready to wear. You see the barize net fabric quality is really nice. Again, no compromises on quality. You see the whole dupatta, you see no glitch, no nothing, nowhere. Plus this is ready to wear. There is nothing needs to be done with this dupatta. The tassels are there, so yeah, nicely done. Again, lastly but not the least, this is the trouser that we're offering with this product. It has got this pure printing, and this is handmade basically. This is what we call here is, this is block printing, and the fabric, you see the shine in it, the raw silk shine. So this is like really fine quality of slub with a mixture of raw silk. Thank you guys for viewing. Do let us know how do you like the color pastel for this product, as we exclusively love this product and the front quality is as it is. Just to mention, these borders are just made for the shoot, but this is easily available in the market. So yeah, do let us know how do you like the product and how do you like it when you wear it. Thank you.